Hey everybody, Rosemary Jane again with another Tech Talk tidbit, and this time it is on your CPS Stage 1 self-assessment I can statement of I can use Google Meet, create a nickname, and meet with my students remotely. All right, in your assessment, it's this one right down here. Can use Google Meet to create a nickname and meet with my students remotely. So let's first talk about how we should access Google Meet. Again, I am recommending that you use the Chrome web browser, that you make sure you have signed in to your work account, staff at your CPS BOE account, students at your cincinnatips.org account, and that sync is turned on. When you do that, I'm recommending that you just launch it right here from the Google Apps menu, and then you can just scroll down and find Google Meet. It is very simple to launch a meeting using your nickname. You can launch it just by clicking Start a Meeting, and I like to make mine my name as one word. I click Continue, and my meeting is now live. Now, this is if I have the Google Meet going live. All right, I can join that. And this is my joining info. Copy this info here. Now, if I'm going to schedule this meeting with my students ahead of time, this is what I recommend. And this is in your CPS Tech Talk course. Excuse me, it's in your CPS Schoology account. In the Cincinnati Public Schools resource folder, I've added a folder called For Teachers, Templates and Materials You Can Use Now. I'm going to pull over the How to Join My Class Meeting on Google Meet. I'm going to add it to my course. And I'm going to add it to, ignore all my courses, I have a lot. I'm going to add it to my sample homeroom. Right there. Right, I'll just add that to my course. And then in a new tab, I'll just jump into that sample course to show you what that looks like. My sample homeroom. Now, why am I going through all these steps? Because remember, folks, we're trying to put everything in one location to make it easier for parents and students to join. So this is the template I just added, how to join my class meeting on Google Meet. I'm going to go in and edit it. As soon as I pull over a new template, you probably want to unpublish it right away if you're not going to edit, or just start editing it. So I'm going to tell my students that I'm going to meet regularly with them, maybe on Tuesdays at 9 a.m. and again at 1 p.m. So maybe this is going to be my open class meeting. Now it's going to give them prompts that take them through joining. And then right here, my meeting nickname, you need to edit and put your meeting nickname right in that field. So I'm going to put mine and then hit Save Changes. That way, your students can join the meeting with your nickname. And then so all they will do is click on the image. You'll start this meeting. I'm going to start it now. You want to start it first. Make sure you've set up a nice secure place for your students to meet. That is the join information. You shouldn't share that meeting code with them if you're just having them join using your meeting code. All right. And I'll hop into another account and show you a student using this. So this student is going to just join using a meeting code and put in my code. And here we go. The student is going into my meeting. I'm in a different browser, but they can already see that I'm in there as the teacher. So then they can join. But the great thing is, and I will join, when that student joins, then when that teacher ends the meeting and has their students get out first or removes their students, so I'll remove her and end the call, she cannot get back in. So look at this. Someone has removed her from the meeting, return to home screen, she can't get back in. This is the safest way to do it, everybody. So that's my recommendation for you. I can't join that call.